Want to grow your English and mindset with nature idioms in just 60 seconds? Let's go. The calm before the storm. This means a quiet period before trouble begins. Example, the office was silent, just the calm before the storm of deadlines. Can't see the forest for the trees. This means being so focused on small details that you miss the big picture. Example, he worried about tiny mistakes, but couldn't see the forest for the trees. Make hay while the sun shines. This means to take advantage of opportunities while you can. Example, I studied hard during vacation, making hay while the sun shines. Come rain or shine. This means no matter what happens. Example, I go jogging every morning, come rain or shine. A ray of sunshine. This means someone or something that brings joy. Example, my best friend is a ray of sunshine in my life. Now it's your turn. Use these idioms in your English today and let your language grow like nature. Follow Motivation Meets Learning for advanced idioms, mindset tips, and daily English practice.